top, side mount, biparting doors, pocket doors, you name it. Every single one of our products, any door that slides, has catch and close now, including all the new exposed track and hardware is just about to be released with catch and close as well.
So barn doors and all that type of stuff, that's really the rage.
Every single one. All the stuff my grandparents sold for the last 7 years, in our opinion, will slowly become obsolete. All the architects, all designers, all even end users, hotels, condos, you name it, they all want the catch and close. That is the future of sliding door track and hardware. The other nice thing about it is you can see if the track isn't perfectly installed, it holds the door in place. And everybody that opens sliding door track and hardware, they just let her go. All right, with this product, you don't have to worry about that. No more slamming doors. Great for kids, le petit enfant, right?
Or fighting spouses.
Our fighting spouses, exactly. If you want to slam the door, no, don't worry about it. You're not going to break the door or the door frame. This is designed, we've had over 80,000 cycle tests on this product, meaning sliding the door open and close is one cycle test. 80,000 without any kind of wear and tear on this product at all.
Who's the poor guy that was opening and closing the door 80,000 times?
Well, we did bring in the president / my father for that one, for some of the testing patterns.
Took a year.
And he couldn't break it. It took him, all summer.
You showed him your expense report? Are you kidding me?
That's about it.